Hi guys, it's Birb here and welcome to today's exclusivity report. And today I've got for you a very comprehensive analysis, expansive analysis for a couple of time frames for Bitcoin USD chart, Bitstamp spot price. And this is going to be special because there's a lot to celebrate, guys. If you read already from my Bitcoin report in the written form, this is going to be providing kind of like a broader understanding and idea, okay, to help you exercise better for what you are going to have in the next following weeks and months, because what we are going to see and witness probably goes beyond anybody's expectations. We definitely did see insane breakout in here. Okay, this breakout, just like I said the other day, was a very definitive breakout, which eventually led us to new all-time highs. Okay, so this is like different kind of a breakout. We also saw a horizontal breakout. Okay, with this difference that, well, we breached through the all-time highs in the past all-time highs values at around like $65,000. We topped out locally around like 47 and 67, sorry. Then well, does this tiny candle, this technical, like a fake out in a way, tiny bit, does this really invalidate the bullishness of the all-time highs? Not really. Historically, anytime that Bitcoin flashes new all-time highs, it's basically starting to get unstoppable in a way. Okay, so best I could expect, even if we do, see what happened there around like $20,000, around the past all-time highs, we, saw a major decline at start, right? Then consolidated a bit. So this is exactly what I'm expecting to happen right now. Okay, some local consolidation between like 67,000 and perhaps 59, 58,000, although I explained why I don't necessarily expect, any lower levels out there to come up. Some local tiny bit of consolidation in the past of previous weakness, which was 58 plus. Okay, let it consolidate for a moment and then probably rally, launch the final rocket, launch the final rally that will leave many people speechless, myself included, most likely. If we get to the lower time frames, you are also going to discover, just like I said, that current trading over like the past weakness period of 58 point, like 58.1, $58,000, all the way up to like 65 back then. Right now it's showing the strength from the daily and mid-daily close through that previous region of weakness, which already confirms and compensates for the power and strength that bulls are bringing. Okay, versus what it looked like in April. Last time, the market was here, it was heavily like exhausted. It was very, very weak already back then, and it failed making new highs. If you remember, right? I was warning you guys about it, and like how here it made the new high and then it faked, and then it failed for the swing. Another new high and then it failed. Okay, another highs, like perhaps lower highs, but still over the $58,000 region. Another fade. Right, so this was the distribution process. This is not a distribution process. This was the opposite end of the distribution, which was the accumulation. Okay, and now what you are seeing is the accumulation advance. You are going to see bull market like accelerating in the upwards direction, bigger and larger pumps coming, bigger volatility, chops 50, 30, $40,000 daily candles upwards, pumps, downs. Okay, that is what you're going to see typically for the bull market. And I'm not going to tell you perfectly where it stops. Yeah, I don't have a crystal ball. I have no idea if it's going to peak at 100,000 at 99.9 or 199.1, for example. Perhaps it flashes and smashes through $200,000 resistance. I have no idea. Okay, but you can know for sure that on-chain analysis, just per my written report, shows that despite we made the new highs already on the price, the on-chain is still, extremely low compared with the all-time highs regions. Right, it's heavily undervalued. On-chain is heavily reset and undervalued with huge amount of upside growth, and we already have made a new all-time high. So imagine what happens if the actual on-chain catches up behind the price and start pumping in tandem, if you know what I'm saying, right? So with way less effort, we already done in April. We already made new all-time highs. Okay, this is how powerful Bitcoin is, and this is, in my opinion, what's going to break and take Bitcoin to 50 to 90 to $120,000 and beyond, perhaps 150, 180 to $200,000. If we apply local volume weighted average prices on the breakout, let's say in here, you can tell that the fair price of Bitcoin based on the volume is 56,885. Okay, anchored at this very breakout candle of the triangle here on the bottom. Okay, if we go even further and apply some local volume price analysis, volume based analysis, you can tell, okay, that well, the prices are conjuncting in a way, okay, ever since the local low and the local high, and past, if Bitcoin manages to fly and close the day past the average volume weighted average price anchored at the very all-time highs right now, which is 63,375. This is most likely going to bring another upside extension, impulse, or let you see some more consolidation if it fails here somewhere on the top, in the form of a pennant to fly past, into those 90 plus K region. So knowing of that, guys, like, this is going to be insane. You cannot literally guess how much of the bullish price action you see in the next months. Don't screw it up. Don't try to call the top. Don't try to short it. Okay? Don't be caught red-handed. Just enjoy the pumps. You guys got ready. You were ready. You were warned.